Dating apps typically work by connecting people who are looking for romantic or social relationships. Here's a general overview of how dating apps function. User registration. Users need to download and install the dating app on their mobile devices. They create an account by providing basic information such as name, age, gender, location, and often upload pictures. Profile creation. Users can create a profile by adding additional details such as interests, hobbies, and a bio to give others a better understanding of who they are. Some apps use algorithms or questionnaires to help users create more detailed profiles. Preferences and matching. Users set their preferences, including the gender, age range, and location of potential matches. The app uses algorithms to match users based on their preferences, interests, and sometimes even compatibility scores. Swipe or match. Many dating apps use a swiping mechanism. Users browse through profiles and swipe right if interested or left if not. If two users both swipe right on each other's profiles, it's a match. Once matched, they can start chatting within the app. Messaging and communication. Once matched, users can exchange messages within the app to get to know each other better. Some apps offer additional features like voice and video calls to enhance communication. Safety features. Dating apps often incorporate safety features such as user verification, reporting, and blocking options to create a secure environment. Location-based matching. Many apps use geolocation to show users potential matches in their vicinity. This feature allows users to connect with people who are physically close. Premium features. Some dating apps offer premium features for a subscription fee. These may include features like unlimited swipes, advanced search filters, and the ability to see who has liked their profile. Notifications. Users receive notifications for matches, messages, and other relevant activities, helping them stay engaged with the app. Profile updates. Users can update their profiles with new pictures or additional information, keeping their profiles fresh and interesting. It's important to note that different dating apps have unique features and cater to specific audiences. The success of a dating app often depends on its user base, user experience, and the effectiveness of its matching algorithms.